And welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Misa and I do makeup related uploads every Monday and Wednesday. I am crazy about helping you enhance your foundation routine, so please subscribe. Today we are going to be diving into BOXYCHARM. So if you're interested to see what I got in this month's BOXYCHARM, go ahead and keep on watching.
Yeah, you know I do to make it through the times we had. I see it now.
Raise your hand if you check your emails every single day until you get that email that says your BOXYCHARM has shipped. That was me. I was spoiled last month. It came like the first week, and this week I'm like, come on, where's it at? I didn't get it until 2 weeks into the month. I have the weight and everything in the description box down below. Let's go ahead and see what I got. Open it up. So the theme this month is Charmer. This is my favorite box that I've gotten so far. I've been part of BOXYCHARM for about 3 months. It's about $24.95 a month, and you get 5 full-size items, and it's always valued over $100. So the first item is this Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with cherry. It's supposed to be really hydrating, and the fact that this is in there, like, Pharmacy is not a cheap brand. It is at Sephora, and this was made exclusively for BOXYCHARM, but it's $45, and the cutest, oh my gosh, this packaging is to die for. Open it up, let's see what this, it smells like cherry, which, you know, how many times am I talking about we don't need fragrance? So here we are, we don't need fragrance. And I'm just going to try this out. I love that it's super thin, really lightweight, and this is supposed to reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles, delivers instant radiance to the eye area. Yeah, and it's a fragrance-free formula. Cool. This will be perfect if you put this like in the fridge or if you have a makeup fridge. Oh, that cooling sensation is going to be amazing. The value of this alone, I mean, this more than pays for the box. This bottle it's a bougie bottle. All right, I just put on some primer. This is a Smashbox primer oil. No, this did not come with the box, but we are going to go in with foundation because the next item is a beauty blender. It's a sponge. This is the $1 Billion Beauty Charcoal Beauty Sponge. So charcoal is infused into this, which is cool. And it has the perfect application for any liquid foundation, concealer, or highlighter. The density is perfect for dispensing a controlled amount. It's $15 usually, which we can always use an extra beauty sponge. So let's go ahead and fill this up with water.
I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out, I work it out.
This is so soft. It filled up really nice. Honestly, it feels just as good as any other beauty sponge I've used. All right, so the foundation I'm going to use today is this ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation. I'm in the shade Medium 15N. I did a review on this foundation. If you're curious, I'll have it linked down below. Let's see. Ah, I mean, it's a good beauty sponge. I'm not unhappy with it. I think this is great. I have filmed a video where I try out these beauty blender sponges from Amazon. You get about 5 for $10 if you want to check that out. If anything, what I've noticed about these beauty sponges is they're not as soft as a beauty blender, but the real test is how long do they last, because beauty blenders last a long time. Like, you can use the same one if you take care of it and disinfect it for like 3-4 months. With some of these ones, they only last like a month. Right, the base is on. I used L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Gosh, I love this stuff. I haven't used it in a hot minute, and I am remembering why. It is amazing. It's a full-on Tarte Shape Tape dupe, but I actually think I like this one better. And then I set everything with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus translucent powder and my Milani Prep Set and Go for the rest of my face. So now we're going to get into the next item, which is an eyeshadow. So this is called the Blink Evening Glamour Palette. This is usually, ooh, $26. That's not bad. This is actually one of the palettes that I've gotten that I'm like, wow, I could actually see myself buying this in real life. It has 2 blushes and 6 highly pigmented shadows. I love blushes, and honestly, this color combo I'm just living for. So let's see how it performs. I'm shooting a reel at the same time. I'm just like going back and forth. If you aren't following me on Instagram, you totally should. I do reels, makeup reels, hair reels, all kinds of reels. So they don't actually have like a really good transition shade, so I'm just gonna use the blush as a transition shade, which is funny, and it's called Sundown because I use blushes in my transition all the time. Like, that's my go-to if I'm in a rush. My blush and my bronzer are just going to go right in my face.
Holding my breath, waiting for you to show.
The shadows, they're not bad. I mean, I like that they don't have a lot of fallout and the pigment is smooth. I'm going to take Eventide and go in on my outer crease. Let's see how creamy these are. Oh wow, that's pretty. So that's sunset, that's dusk, eve. Yeah, my favorite's definitely sunset though, so I think that's the one I'm going to use on my lid. Wow, okay, I am so impressed with this eyeshadow palette. I'm keeping it. A lot of the times some of these palettes I'll use once, then I'll give them away, but no, this one is a keeper. This would be a great like little travel palette. It's awesome. I like it. I'm going to do my brows real fast. This is the Foolproof Brow Powder with my little brush, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to quickly do my bronzer. Physicians Butter Bronzer. Okay, so the fact that these are both blushes, I'm excited and I'm nervous. I love how inclusive they are. Like, this is a beautiful blush shade if you have a darker, beautiful skin tone. But these are really pigmented, so I'm afraid to go in with them, but I'm going to because that's what we're here for. So I'm going in with Sundown, okay? Let's see. Oh, I think that looks gorgeous. That looks really nice. So this palette, totally amazing. All right, the next item is this Laura Geller lash. Sorry, I know, I need to fix my background. I don't have time right now though. So it's the Laura Geller Lash Boss Bold Mascara in black. So this is supposed to go the extra mile and give your lashes an enhanced, lengthened, and curling effect in just a few strokes. Incredibly soft, smooth, flexible formula. Okay, you guys know how I feel about mascaras. I'm very picky. They always give me raccoon eyes. And I'm hoping that this doesn't do that to me, but we will just have to see. Let's see. I already did my setting spray, so I didn't have to worry about that getting all wet. Application of that was gorgeous, guys. Wow. Okay, you see the shock in my eyes. We'll see how it lasts for the day. I'll let you guys know. But the application, yeah, it took a minute, but I feel like they look so much like springier than usual. Now, last product. This is the last product, and it's by far the one I was just like most blown away by and still am. So this is by Hank and Henry. It's a Lip Love Luxe lipstick. But look at this. Look at the sparkle. Okay, this is like a high-end. This is high-end packaging. And this retails for only $18. And so look at this. Wow. Pops out. Bam. There's your lipstick. Bam. It's all glitter. It's epic.
You're just afraid to say real love. Now I see you and I'll make it.
That was a cool experience. Your board waffles yawning at me. Yeah, wow, creamy. I just don't know how well this will stay put. I feel like I need a lip liner. I don't know, it's pretty cool to wear though, but I don't know if I'm going to wear it all the time. But that's actually, this box is like really impressive to me this month. Thank you so much for watching. What did you get in your BOXYCHARM? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I do like sneak peeks of these way in advance of when they actually upload. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Okay. Oh wait, I forgot to do the total. I'm gonna do the total real quick. The total is $128. Wow. Yeah, great deal, guys. You should sign up. But yeah, all right, I already said bye. Okay, bye.
Real love, now I see you. Yeah, you know I do.